Hi there, this is David from atkloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the integrated BPM system in atkloud. The BPM manager allows to use any valid BPM 2.0 file or process. In this case, we have defined several processes, as you can see, more simple or more complex. And we are going to use in this demo this simple process that has only two different tasks. The first task can be done by operators, by the group or the role operators, and the second task, the check acceptance, can be done by the managers group. So let's get started. First of all, let's log out and log in as a manager. And as a manager, we can start a new process. So we can do it from the task page. If we click on start new process, we will see all the processes that are accessible to this profile, to this user, particular user. In this case, we have only the loan accepted process, so we click start process, and we must supply a process key that should be unique for each process definition. In this case, for instance, one, two. And folio, these two rows are specific from this type of process, are defined in the BPM. We used to define this BPM an external editor. In this case was the Eclipse editor. So you can see that we can create new tasks, add new fields to the task form, as you can see. And in this case, where the first task, the field form data, has these three fields on his form. That is the spreadsheet that can be opened by users when are working on the task. And another important field is the script that will be executed on create. When this task is created, this script will be executed. So let's come back to the application and let's create the line 22 with the folio 22 and borrower new borrower. Okay, start. Now the script will be executed. So if we go to the all pending task, we will see that we have a pending task that is the fill form data. This task can be done by operators, as you can see in the fill form data. It's done by operators. So when this particular user, this manager, has not this task as a candidate task, you can see this list is empty. But if we log in as an operator, we'll see the task in the candidate as a candidate task. Being a candidate task, I can claim this task. So when I claim the task, it's assigned directly to me. Then this list shows all the assigned my pending tasks ordered by priority descending and by date created descending to. We can operate directly using this button, or we can open the task properties page. This task properties page allows to change that information like the process key or the name, or apply a priority due date. And we can also attach files that will be accessible from the task, and we can also complete the task. or add a comment to the task. When we complete the task, the next task will be created, and this task is a check acceptance task. In this case, this task is not a candidate task for me because I'm an operator, not a manager, and this task can be done only by manager. So we log out again and enter as a manager, and we will see that the manager has this task as a candidate task. When we claim the task, as you can see in the upper menu, we'll see a one task pending here. When we click on this menu, we will see the list of assigned and pending tasks. Is a shortcut. And from here, we can we can complete directly if we want. This form, this complete form, needs data to be filled. That is the accepted data. This case is a combo box. When we complete the task, this task disappears from here, and we don't have it anymore as a candidate or as a pending task. We have in as a done task. We can filter here, we can do whatever we want. Another important thing is that we can open directly a spreadsheet from the task, and the task information will be filled automatically in the spreadsheet. So let's do another process. Start the process. For instance, 3, 3, forward 23, start. And now when we can access to the pending task, and we can open, we can claim it, and we can open directly the spreadsheet. Long that. As you can see, the spreadsheet is open and the information is filled. The folio number was 23 and the name was Borrower 23. Now the user can fill the rest of the form. So the monetization type, the amount, the dollars, the number of units, all the information that he needs, and save this data into the table, the underlying table, on this case, the underlying collection, non-SQL collection. And when the information is completed, the user completes the task. Complete fill form data. It is the task. Fill form data complete. When the task is complete, it's not pending anymore. It's a done task. So that was a brief introduction about how to use the integrated BPM in atkloud. Thank you for watching.